Hi guys, today going to tell you about Photoshop. In it, we are covering the whole major options of it, and now we are getting to start. First option is create new file. Go there. Now it's opening the file. There are many options I'm going to tell you in Photoshop. You can customize it. You can take any file like photos. First option I'm telling you the photos. There's also mention a size, particular size, shape, and many more. Second is print. If you need a print out paper, a neat clean print out paper, there is every A4, A5, every there is every option in it. Next is art and illumination. It is also helpful for the pixel art. Web. Next is web. You can also create a web page on it, designing, styling. Next is mobile. There is a different mobile options like iPhone, Android, many more, and there also mention their sizes. You can see very clearly when you open these options, and we also going to tell in details. Next are film and videos. You can animate here any size and any pixel resolution you can pick in it. There is a lot of HD, 4K, 2K. There is a lot of options. Now we go to the recent option and customize my own file. There's a lot of options, like I selected 180 width and 1350 length, sorry. Then it is a portrait. When we select landscape, it will turn opposite, and this is in pixels, and the resolution is 72. I am selecting it. It is your decision. And are also options of pixel, inch, and etc. Then there you can select inch, centimeter, millimeters, and two more options. The major use of it is pixels. Now you can select the color of your file. RB color is major use, or CMYK color is also used majorly, but you can select as your file is created. This is also option of background color. You can change into any color. These options are also used, but it is can be selected, but auto select is good, I think so. There is another option which is also auto select. It is preference, but if your customer is tell you about the ratio, you can select that also. Now create a file here, then wait just a moment. It is gonna be open in seconds, and there it is. You have it here, a white background as you mentioned in the options. First we go to view and select my screen size. There's a lot of options like zoom in, then next is zoom out, then again we can select 100% fit on the screen, sorry. It will fit on your screen level 100%. As your design is needed, You can zoom in and zoom out. It is 200% and it cover all your area. It is mostly used for the mini tiny art, yeah, tiny drawing type. Now I am telling you about the toolbox of Photoshop. First is move tool, second is marquee tool, which has different options like square, circle, oval, and you can make it from here. You can see the different options. We can all learn in. Now next is lasso tool, and it has also options when we make a design. Next time I will tell you about magic wand tool, crop photo crop tool. You can see I select a specific area, then select move tool, it comes to you. You can press Ctrl Z and there your screen is back. Now is your frame tool. Now it is frame tool. You can select and make a frame and move it easily. Now I drop tool. You can select colors from your own photo and select it with a particular spot healing tool. Next is brush tool. Spot healing tool is used like when you faded any color in your drawing. It can help easily. Eye drop tools also have different options. Now is clone tool. Clone tool means you can clone your photo with two or many very easily. Next is history brush tool. It when you erase something, you can recreate it with this brush. Next is eraser tool and grinder tool. It has two colors and by end. Next is blur tool. When you don't need a photo or background, you can blur it with it. Next is zoom tool. You can easily zoom in and zoom out. The major tool is coming next to it is pen tool. It is a pen tool which is basically used in every tracing, drawing, sketching or anything. Next is typing tool. You can type here, select here. Next is direct selection tool. You can select from here. Next is shapes, rectangle, circle, oval. There is also you can select from here the color and the size, the width and length, everything. Next is rotation tool. You can rotate your whole screen artboard in any direction. The next is zoom tool. Here you can zoom it in or zoom out. There are now different options of color selection. You can rotate your colors by the two arrow shape up and down. There are two boxes. You can select here the color black and white. You can also rotate it with your arrows. You can separate your tool bar easily as your screen fits in. You can move here and there and recombine it again and make this screen smaller as it both side toolbars can be moved and it is easily make a portrait size. You can recombine the both one. The options in it is information first, second is colors, and third is also colors. There is a different color and you can manage what shade you needed. Third option is channel. There is a different color channels. Now there is characters. It is using typing tool. Paragraph is also for typing tool. The path, it is for drawing and tracing. There is adjustment options, different and 3D options when you make a 3D design. Properties, styles are a huge fan of styles. You can make any of them. And then brush settings, there are thousands of settings in brush tool. A lot of thousands of shapes you can also download in here. Now the basic major option is layers, and it is effectively used in Photoshop. Major use of Photoshop was it is layers. You can do all magic in here. And also there is options of library and brushes and etc. Now I'm telling you about the file options. There is a new option, you totally open a new file and you customize and reopen, then open mean a previous file. You can open here very easily. Third is and also open as, and various options are there. As you see, export, import, share. The main you need is place, embedded. This can bring your photo directly to your artboard. Just I'm showing you. You can select any photo from anywhere from your computer, laptop. As I select a jeep, a shape of jeep, and there you go. It comes all its graphics, no damage, no blur. As you create this photo, it is come at your artboard as it is. There you can import it also, and different options as the customer told you to do so. Save file. Now we go to the save file and told you how to save your file very nicely. The first option you are seeing is Photoshop. If you recreate it or you need it as per you created it in Photoshop, you can save it as it is Photoshop options and press save. But if you need a final unchangeable photo, then you select the PNG file here or PDF file. If you need a PDF file, most of the customers also demand for the PDF file, but it is also worth it, but we prefer to the PNG file, the last and final look. Thank you guys for listening me up, and hope so you understand and create your own beautiful designs